Hello students, welcome to the time classes. In this series of questions which we are discussing, okay, let's discuss another question. This is a question in ratios. Here we see it's given an examination consists of 4 subjects A, B, C and D. The ratio of marks scored by Shiva in A, B and C is 13:17:9. He scored 75 in one of C and D. The ratio of scores of C and D is 3:5. The maximum marks in any subject is 100. Find the sum of marks scored by Shiva in the 4 subjects. Now, please see here there are few conditions which are given. What is that? The ratio of A, B, C is 13:17:9. Next one, ratio of C to D is 3:5. Okay, he scored 75 in either of C and D. The maximum marks in the subject is 100. Okay, considering all these ones, we have to get the answer. See here, see this, it's given. There are 4 subjects. Let's consider like this: A, B, C and a D here. Okay, what do we know? We know this one, the ratio for A, B and C is 13:17:9 here. And further we know the ratio of C to D is equal to 3:5 here. Okay, so if C were 3 parts here, D actually should be equal to how much? It is 5 parts. What does it imply? If C is equal to 9 parts here, please observe this is 3:5 here can be written as what? It is 9:2 how much? It is 15. It implies the ratio of C, A, B, C and D can be taken 13:17:9:15 here. That is what we know the ratio of the scores of A, B, C and D here. Now, what does that imply? It implies total how many parts is he getting here? Okay, we can tell it's just the sum of all these ones here. Please see here 13 and plus 17. So much it is 30 here. 30 plus 15 here is 45 and then plus 9 here is 54 here. That means his total score actually can be equal to how much? It is 54 here. Now see, one more point. He said this one, he scored 75 in one of C and D. So possibilities are he could have scored 75 in this C here, or he could have scored 75 in D here. Am I right? Please observe. 15 into how much will be? 15 into how much will be equal to 75 here? 15 5 is 75 here. So in that case here, what is the total score actually he is going to get? Means we can tell this one, it is 54. Okay, into how much? Into a 5 here. Right now, calculate. This is 250 here and a plus a 20 here. That is equal to how much? It is 270. Okay. Now, if suppose he is scoring the 75 in this one, if he is scoring 75 in C here, what does it mean? What would be his total score there? It will be equal to 54 and then into a 75 here divided by 9. Okay, let's calculate this one. 6 9s is a 54 here, so 75 and then into a 6 here. 75 into a 2 is 150 and then into a 3 will give us how much? It is equal to 450 here. Okay, please observe this 6 we can write it as what? It is 2 into a 3. This we can write it as 2 into a 3. 75 into 2 is 150 here, into a 3 will be equal to 450 here. So it looks like there are 2 possibilities here, but one more condition is also given. The maximum marks in any subject is 100. So here you please observe. Okay, if the maximum marks for A is 100, maximum marks for B is 100, for C also if it is 100, for D also if it is 100 here, does it not mean the total maximum marks actually should equal 400 only here? Okay, but if the maximum marks were 400, how is it possible that he scores 450 here? Okay, this one is said to be not possible, but this one we can tell this one it is an invalid score here. So what is that valid one here? It is 270 here. So the question is asking the sum of the marks scored by Shiva in all the 4 subjects here. It is this number 270. That is our required answer here. Okay, without even finding the scores of all these subjects here, we can find out the required answer here. The answer to this question is 270 here. That is the answer here. Okay, that's it on this question here. Okay, thank you very much.